I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Welcome back to Mami Jen's Kitchen. This time I want to show you how to make a blueberry sour cream pancakes. My family loves this. This pancake is topped with a satisfying blueberry sauce or blueberry syrup. Okay, so let's go ahead and start, and I'll show you how to make the blueberry syrup first. Here's what we need. In a medium saucepan, we're gonna combine the sugar, half cup of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world.
Then we need to add the water, 1 cup of cold water. Mix the mixture using our spatula. Make sure that the cornstarch and the sugar are already dissolved, and then we're gonna add blueberries in this mixture, and we need like 4 cups of frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries. And then after placing our blueberries, that's the time we're gonna turn on our stove, our heat to medium heat.
You set my world on fire.
Okay, my blueberries are washed and it's ready to mix in with my mixture.
Just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want.
Okay, now we can turn on our stove to a medium heat, and we need to keep stirring this until we get the desired consistency, the thickness of the blueberry. Press down or kind of smash the blueberry while we're cooking this, and we're gonna cook this for like 10 to 12 minutes until we get the thickness of the sauce.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So for 10 to 12 minutes, you're gonna keep stirring this mixture until it's done.
You set my world on fire.
Our blueberries mixture is getting thickened, so we're gonna be done pretty soon. Maybe a few more minutes.
What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
Alright, looks like it's almost done. It's thickened enough for us to turn off the stove, and we're just gonna save this for later on. We need to cover this so it will stay warm. Looks delicious already.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
Okay, and let's go ahead and make our pancake mix. So we need here 2 cups of all-purpose flour,
Till you added colors, like the moon.
1/4 cup of sugar, and additional 2 tablespoons sugar.
You set my world.
Add 4 teaspoons baking powder,
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
Then 1 teaspoon of salt.
Myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Give a little stir of our mixture, the dry mixture.
World on fire. I just want you.
Then we're gonna add 2 eggs.
I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna
Whisk a little bit.
wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Then we're gonna add 1.5 cups of milk.
You set my world on fire.
Then 1 cup of sour cream, or 8 ounces.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Okay, get ready for your 1/3 cup of butter. It's supposed to be melted butter.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the other.
Okay, let's just give a little stir. And then here you go. Here's our melted butter.
My world on fire.
You can use any type of butter. You can use unsalted butter if you want a less salt, or you can use the regular salted butter.
You just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you.
Okay, then we need to mix this using our blender. Our mixer, not blender. Our mixer. Then I just use in a low speed. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then with the use of our hand mixer, we're just gonna mix this for like 1 minute. 1 minute is good enough.
You make me smile. What is it that you do?
Then we need additional 1 cup of blueberries. I slice my blueberries into half, but it's up to you if you want a whole blueberry or blueberries, or you just want some slices so it will be more when you mix it with our pancakes.
You're my heart.
Then we're just gonna give a little mix in here, like fold in the blueberries with our mixture. And then let's go ahead and prepare our griddle pan or any pancake pan that you use in your house. So we just need the oil spray, then spray a little bit on our pan before we cook the pancake. Then pour butter by 1/4 cupful onto a grease hot griddle.
I just want you, I just need.
If you're using a pancake griddle just like me, I turn on my temperature up to 270 degrees Fahrenheit, and I cook each side like 1.5 to 2 minutes until it's golden brown.
Take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So once you see that the butter, it's like starting to bubbles form on the top, means that it's starting to cook, and you can flip it over and to cook the other side. Then once we're done, we're gonna serve this with our blueberry toppings with the blueberry syrup. It's so yummy. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment. I'll see you again on my next video. God bless and always stay safe. Bye!
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away.